Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 28th, 2025, and we're diving deep into the QQQ ETF, analyzing recent news and its correlation with chart data. First, let's look at current events. Stock futures are down slightly this morning, ahead of a big week for big tech earnings from companies like Microsoft, Meta, Apple, and Amazon, according to Yahoo Finance and Barron's. The market is also reacting to Trump's tariff policies. Barron's reports that Trump's hints at easing tariffs on China had boosted market optimism last week, but are now causing analysts to reconsider their S&P 500 targets. Nasdaq and Amazon Web Services, AWS, are partnering to modernize capital market operations, according to Nasdaq's website, so longer term, this should prove positive to the QQQ. Now, let's switch over to the daily chart for QQQ. We see a volatile market with a lot of chop throughout 2024 and early 2025. Zooming into the more recent data, we see a big dip in early April 2025, followed by a rally to around the 472 level. After that rally, we're now at 472.56 on April 25th, the last day in the chart data, the most recent candle, indicating we may see some more volatility, depending on big tech news from this week. This daily chart shows that the market experienced a significant drop in early April 2025, but has rallied nicely to reach 472. There could be a sign for a potential resistance near that level. If we look at the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view of this region, we can examine the specific candles more closely. Looking at the 1-hour chart in this region, we can see a clearer picture of the price fluctuations and how it reached this area. Consider the large increase on April 9th, 2025, then it bounced between the 440 to 460 area. After that, we see another large jump, followed by smaller movements. Now let's zoom into the 15-minute chart to really narrow in on some of the volatility within that range. We can see a lot of smaller movements here that the previous charts weren't able to represent. This 15-minute chart also has the most recent data up to today, April 28th, with the most recent price on April 25th at around 472.56. Overall, the charts show a period of volatility and recovery. The QQQ has reached a resistance point near 472, but whether it breaks through depends largely on the upcoming big tech earnings reports. Additionally, monitoring Trump's tariff decisions and Besson's comments regarding U.S.-China trade will be crucial for assessing longer-term market sentiment. Important price levels to watch are the immediate resistance around 473, with support potentially around the 450 to 460 range. A break above 473 could signal a bullish trend, while a drop below 450 could indicate further downside.